You are welcome to class. Today we conclude this series by considering Igbo digraph, that is, alphabet that are made up of two alphabets joined together to make one unique sound. Let's go to class right away. Let's begin. Number one, chabie, chabie, cut apart. Chabie, cut apart. Let's move. Chabie is number one. Number two, chere, wait. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Number three, che, think. Che, think. Che, think. Number four, cheta, remember. Cheta, cheta, remember. Let's go. Number five, cheerful, the direct opposite, forget. Cheerful, forget. Cheerful, forget. Six, chilite, especially when you are carrying up pieces of items. Chilite, gather up. Chilite, gather up. Seven, chopota, find out. Chopota, find out. Let's go. Number eight, chute, fetch, especially for water or liquid items. Chute, fetch. Chute, fetch. Nine, choro, want. Choro, want. I want it. Achoro m ya. 10, gbaa ọsọ, not gbaa ọsọ, double A. Gbaa ọsọ, run. Gbaa ọsọ, run. 11, gbuo, kill. Gbuo, kill. Kill it. Gbuo ya. Gbuo. Let's go to 12. Gbọpụta, vomit. Gbọpụta, vomit. Listen to the sound. Gbọpụta, vomit. 13. Gbaghara. This is not bagara. Gbaghara, forgive. Gbaghara, forgive. Let's go. 14. Gbochie, prevent or hinder. Gbochie, prevent or hinder. Let's go to 15. Ra. This is not ga. It's ra, so. Ra, so. We'll move on. And 16 says, rota, pluck. Rota, pluck, as we pluck fruit. Rota, not gota. Rota, pluck. 17, we are still on GH. Ye, fry. Ye, fry. Is frying plantain. Ye, fry. We move on. Next is wopota. It's not gopota. Wopota, scoop out, like coconut or anything. Wopota. 19, robuo. Robuo, deceive. Robuo, deceive. Let's go to 20. Yara, pass, or pass without care, without concern. Yara, pass, or walk past. Yara. Let's go to letter G, W, gwe. First is gwa, tell. Gwa, tell. Gwa, tell. Next, 22. Gwo, heal, as in healing sickness. Gwo, heal. Heal means warm. We go on to 23. Gwakorita. Gwakorita, mixed together. Gwakorita, mixed together. 24. Gwe, grind or blend. Gwe, grind or blend, whichever is more appropriate for you. 25. Guo, dig. Some will use single G for this, but this is also correct. Guo, dig. And you are aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you materials to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline. These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson. We did the ground. 26. We're going to KP now. Kpakpando, star. Kpakpando, star. This is not kakando. Kpakpando. 27. Kpuchie is not kuchie or puchie. Kpuchie, cover. Kpuchie, cover. 28. Kpebie is either decide or conclude. Kpebie, decide or conclude. Kpebie. 29. Kpọọ, which means call. Kpọọ, call him. Kpọọ ya. Kpọọ, call. 30. Kpọọ, mold. Kpọọ, mold is molding a pot. Kpọọ, mold. We move on to 31. Kpee ikpe, judge, the verb part of it. Kpee ikpe, deliver judgment. Kpee ikpe, judge. We move to 32. Kpee ekpere, pray, is also the verb, act of praying. Kpee ekpere, pray. Okay, we move on to 33. KW, kwe, we have kwado, support. Kwado, support. Kwado, support. 34. Kwere, agree or believe, is also pronounced as kwere, especially in the past tense. Kwere, agree or believe. 35. Kwuo, speak or say. Say it is kwuo. Kwuo, speak or say. 36. Kwatuo, pull down. Kwatuo, pull down. Kwatuo, pull down. Next, 37. Kwalite, promote. Kwalite, promote. Let's promote it. Ka anyị kwalite ya. 38. Kwụọ, pay. Pay money. Kwụọ ego. Kwụọ, pay. Kwụọ, pay. 39. Nwatakịrị. Some will just call it nwata for short. Little child. Nwatakịrị or nwata. All is correct. 40. Nwanyị, woman. Nwanyị, woman. Nwanyị, woman. Let's go. When he's married, he becomes nwunye, wife. Nwunye, wife. Nwunye, wife. Let's go. And then we are still on NW. Nwude is catch. Jide can be hold, but nwude must be catch. Nwude, catch. Okay, 43. Nweta, possess. Nweta, possess, the verb form of it. Nweta, possess. Let's go to 44. Nwụọ, die. Or nwụọ, die, the same thing. Nwụọ, die. Let's go to NY, nyi. First word here is nye, give. Give me is nyem. Nye, give. We'll go on. Nyuo, pass out, especially from the body. As we see this guy in the toilet. Nyuo, pass out. Nyuo, pass out. 47. Nyi, beyond power, is beyond me. Onyirim, nyi, beyond me, beyond power. Let's go. Next, 48. Nyocha, examine or look into. Nyocha, examine or look into. 49. Shie, some will say sie. Okay, some will say shie or the same. Cook. Both are correct in some dialects. 50. Isha, the SH is coming inside. Crayfish. Isha, Isha. Right. This is where we're drawing it close today. Thank you for your time. We expect you to rewatch this over and over until you master the sound of each of these words that is made with the Igbo digraph. On the screen are videos we recommend for you. We encourage you to click on any of them, watch now, and we thank us later. Let's see you in the next video. KMSA.